Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do an unboxing of a game that I got at Gamestop today. Normally I think it's $15 or $20. It was $9.99. I believe it ended today. It started either Sunday or Monday. It's on the PS3. I wanted to play it before I played the one that just came out on the PS4 and Xbox One. If you're wondering what it is FallOut 3. Sorry for the glare. Doing this on my laptop. Like I said, the Game of the Year edition right now, or like I said, I think it ends today. And it's 11:15, so I mean you could still order it online. I think for $9.99, depending on where you live. Of course, if you're on the East Coast, it's past midnight right now, and I think the sale's over. I think, I don't know if they wait until 12 o'clock in California, whatever. I don't know, West Coast. No, it's the West Coast time, but I just don't know what they call it. I was a lazy butt in high school. I mean, hell, I'm in college right now, and I'm not doing much of anything in college at the moment, but oh, there we go. I got it. Never mind. This one here, it's like I said, it's the Game of the Year edition. What it is it includes Operation Anchorage, The Pit, Broken Steel, Point Lookout, Mothership Zeta, and bonus, Capital Wasteland map and Faces of Vault Boy poster, which is kind of nifty, I guess you could say. Apparently this deal is only good at GameStop, which I don't know how true that is, but to give you this crappy little thing that if you had, well, it's another little thing for the case in case you lose it. Get it. Okay, here's the Wasteland map. Which kind of looks, got your stuff on there, small lettering down there. Your DC meter, or DC Metro interior. This is the Vault Boy poster, I guess. Many Faces of Vault Boy, or I don't know, Many Faces of Eve. Whatever. That's kind of cool. There's yet another piece of plastic on here, which I kind of won't do. I mean, anybody who's played FallOut, I mean, they're gonna know what's in there. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a heads up on the Game of the Year edition through GameStop. You get two posters, one being a map, and the other one is Faces of Vault Boy. But like I said, it's a pretty good game, I think. I've never played FallOut. The guy at GameStop told me about it. He said that it was a good game. He's playing the FallOut 4 on the Xbox One. So I figured I'd start with this one. GameStop does have the first couple of FallOuts on PC. I think it's called the FallOut Collection or something, and it's $50, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but it's $50. I saw it in one of the GameStops in my area. I live in Mississippi, so hey. But anywho, like I said, it's the Game of the Year edition. It is $9.99 right now. The used one was, I think, 15 or 18 or something like that. I said, you know what? I don't get the discount on this, but I did have a $5 coupon. So instead of it being $10.69 or $10.68, it was only $5.34 with tax. So that's cool. Like I said, I'll let you guys know how I like it. And we'll go from there. Alright guys, take it easy.